I'm okay, I think. Hi guys, I'm here. So today I have another Dollskill unboxing. Hey! And I'm wearing my Dollskill shoes. Something else now I got was my phone case. Just thought I'd show you, because that also came in the post. I always have trouble getting these open. My face in the last video though, priceless. Why am I like this? So this box is like the other box. It says, "I'm here, let's party." I'm gonna have to get scissors again because it'd be sellotaped. Give me one moment. I literally just opened that box with my tweezers and I took it. Oh dear, I broke the box. That makes me sad. I do like the Dollskill boxes, just not when I can't open them. Got it. That is actually quite nice paper. And I keep that for something. Are you ready? I don't think I'm ready because I don't even think I'm ready. This makes me the happiest person alive. And it makes me prove a point. It's funny because it's a star. How cute. This is literally one of the most exciting things I've ever bought. Let's get it on. I'm so excited. Oh, you can't see it because I'm too small. I have a plan. So that's my cute ass bag. Let's see. Oh wow, there's actually lots of space in here. Thanks, Lewis. I can fit lots of things, right? I can fit my lipstick in there, fit my purse, fit my phone. Just get some of these items. I don't have a purse. I'm going to find a purse. I can't find a purse, but okay, we'll put my glasses in instead. Don't know. It actually fits my brush in it. So it fits a lot in it. And people told me I was stupid buying it because it wouldn't fit anything in it. But it's actually fitting quite a lot. Like I could probably fit my whole makeup in there. Not my whole makeup, not like everything I own, but like stuff to like touch up. So like look at the size of this brush. Yes, thank you. Point proven. I think very well. So I love it so much. I love this material. It's kind of like, and I love that it's a star. It's so cute. So I'm gonna be wearing this when I come off the plane in America, because I want to look cute. Cause this is the start of my obsession. Thank you for watching. Bye.